All right, a lot happened on the Luigi Mangione case today. I want to give you an update. Happen to have some of my staff here that are helping me. Let's talk about the two different cases going. The first is the New York indictment. He has an 11-count indictment, and today he entered a plea of not guilty. You've all heard of the Lincoln lawyer. He has the Lamborghini lawyer. I do that because Karen Friedman Agnifilo is a great lawyer, and she was really fighting for him today in court, telling the judge how he had to do a perp walk and asking for expedited discovery. We have another case going. It's the Southern District of the New York complaint. He's being held on detention without prejudice, meaning the federal government is holding him, but his lawyers can bring it up, and his preliminary hearing is on 1/18 of 2025. Now, let's go to what he's charged with in the federal government. Stalking, counts 1 and 2. Whoever travels in interstate or foreign commerce with a special and wants to kill someone, that is what it is. So let's go to the next screen, please. Murder through the use of a firearm. And that, of course, takes us to the penalties. And the penalties for this is the death penalty. So if the federal government wanted to get the death penalty, that has to come through an indictment. Now, in this federal case, he won't enter a plea. He'll have a preliminary hearing. A preliminary hearing is a hearing to determine two things. One, was there probable cause to believe a crime was committed? And two, probable cause to believe that he committed the crime. And I want to tell you that his lawyer did an outstanding job today. She's starting to push back on all the negative press he's been given. This man is entitled to a presumption of innocence. You can blacken the screen. And one other person I want to invite you all to meet. And you all know her, but you don't know her name. This is the goddess of Minerva, and she represents justice in America. And I always use her because if you notice, she's blindfolded and she's weighing the scales of justice. And everyone in this case should give Luigi Mangione his presumption of innocence until a jury, either in state court or federal court, adjudges him guilty. But Karen Friedman Agnifilo, I got her name right because she does a podcast called Legal AF with another great lawyer named Michael Popak, and I had to listen to it 3 times to get her name right because he says it so fast. That's why I was getting her name wrong. But she was in there today, and she was fighting for him. She has great talent. She's greatly represented. She's asked for expedited discovery. So the next hearing you're going to have now is a preliminary hearing in federal court. I'll keep everyone updated.